Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. I'm Megan from meganplus5.com, and today I'm going to show you how I rust mason jar lids in my kitchen. The lid on the left is a brand new one. It has not had anything done to it, and then the one on the right is one that I rusted at home using this technique. And I think it's important to know that there are lots of techniques out there. This just happens to be the style that I use, but you can search the internet and good old YouTube to find one that works for you. So I use a glass bowl to do this process in because glass does not break down. And I just use regular kitchen salt, and I put some in the bottom of it. I don't measure anything in this tutorial just because that's just me. I don't like to measure things if I don't have to. And then I take some regular vinegar and I pour some in the bowl too. And then I take a wooden popsicle stick and I stir those two together. And once the salt has dissolved for the most part, I place my brand new mason jar rings in there, and then I take more vinegar and I add it to the bowl enough to make the mason jar lids completely submerged in the vinegar and salt solution. Once they're all fully submerged, and if I see that there's a little bit of space that I can fit more rings in there, then I'll do that. And then I take some more table salt and I sprinkle it on top. So you want to let your mason jar lids sit in this solution for 24 hours. And then after the 24 hours has passed, you can take them out, set them on a towel, and let them completely dry. Once they have dried, you want to put them back into the solution. And then once a day for an entire week, you want to do that same step over and over again. So you want to take them out, let them dry, put them back in. Take them out, let them dry, put them back in for a whole week. After about a couple of days, you're going to start noticing the changes in your mason jars. You're going to start noticing the change in the color, and then you're also going to start noticing like some rust rings on the towel that you're using, and that is a good sign that things are happening. And like I said in the beginning of the video, there are many ways to rust mason jar lids. This is just my preferred way that I'm sharing with you. So if you have any questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and visit meganplus5.com for even more frugal and crafty tips. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.